तदङ्गेन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे योगचन्द्राय राधिकाय तदाय कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय नमो महावरण्याय कृष्णप्रेमपराय कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्य नाम्ने गौरहृते नमः। श्रीकृष्ण करुणासिन्धो दीनबन्धो जगत्पते श्रीशैलविशाखान्त राधाकान्त गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी देवी प्रणमामि। ओम वृंदावनी विष्णु भक्ति पदे देवी सत्यवत्यै नमः। भक्ताविहीनापराधरक्षे चित्तवत्सकामानि परमवत्यै हितायितं शरणं गम्यं वन्दे नमस्ते शरणागतं। भजामि राधारविन्दनेत्रान् स्मरामि राधान् मधुरस्मिताश्रयम् वदामि राधानि करुणभराद्रान् ततो मम यतीन्द्रनताय। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौरभक्तवृन्द। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम राम। श्री भजनस्य पंचम साधन अपराह्नकालीन भजन कृष्ण
We were listening to Katha. From Shraddha to Asakti, and after that Bhav and Prem. Shraddha Sadhu Sangha, not Shraddha Sadhu Sangha Bhajan Kriya Devrati, Ruchi Nishtha, Nishtha Ruchi Asakti. This is called Sadhan Bhakti. Sadhak by his senses, so Sadhak by his transcendence, by his senses transcendence Krishna's pastime, he is trying to learn. In the heart of Sadhak, how we can get Nitya Parikar's Bhav. This is called Sadhan Bhakti. Nitya Siddha Brajvasis, In that heart, in their hearts,
स्वाभाविक रूप में कृष्ण के प्रति प्रेम को लेते
spontaneously they have love for Krishna.
हैं। वह प्रेम प्रति की मानो सूर्य के भांति मानो
That love is like a sun.
और
That
वे
is love like a
सूर्य की
sun.
भांति प्रेम प्रति की किरण कण
And that prem, that sun, rays of the sun,
divine love
rays of the sun of divine love
of the Srivas,
of the Brajvasis,
उसको हम कैसे प्राप्त करें?
how we can get that?
ऐसे वो भाव प्राप्त करने के लिए इंद्रिय आदि के द्वारा
So how we can get that bhava by our senses? We try to effort. That is called sadhan bhakti.
साधन भक्ति के दो
There are kind of two things of sadhan bhakti.
चित्त के कैसे निर्माण करें?
First, how to clear the heart, how to clean the heart, we can clean the काम क्रोध लोभ और मद मत्सर.
और दूसरी
And the second one,
वह निर्माण चित्त में
in that nirmal heart, how we can attain the bhav rupi kiran of Nitya Siddha Brajvasis. That's why from Shraddha to Asakti, this is called sadhan bhakti.
साधन स्मरण लीला यते नंबर हेला काय मुनि कोरिया सुधा साधन के प्रति कभी अवहेला करना नहीं
We should not avoid the sadhan, avoidance, avoid neglects. We shouldn't avoid the sadhan or neglect the sadhan bhakti.
तो neglect by avoid practical devotion service भगवान की स्तुति करनी हमें अवहेला neglect ना
So towards Bhagwan, we shouldn't get the avela, the neglectness. That's why from the body and mind,
सेवा करना
we should serve.
ये अतः श्री कृष्ण नामादि नाम भवेद व्याख्य इंद्रिय सेवन को कोई जिहाद स्वयं निवस बोलकर ही करता अतः श्री कृष्ण नामादि
Srila Rupa Goswami Pas is explaining in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu.
वर्णन कर रहे हैं
It's explaining
भगवान के नाम रूप गुण लीला
Bhagwan's Nam Rup Guna Leela is transcendental. It's transcendental.
और साधक की इंद्रिय आदि कैसी है
And sadhaks in senses are
जैसे हमारी जड़
just natural. It's material.
हाथ है पैर है।
As we have our hand, legs.
तो ऐसे जड़ इंद्रियों के द्वारा
These all are
भगवान की कैसे सेवा कर पाएंगे
jad. So how we can serve to transcendental Krishnas by this
अपराधिक वस्तु नहीं
senses?
कभी प्राकृतिक वस्तु प्राकृतिक वस्तु नहीं कभी अपराधिक वस्तु
So we cannot get the Krishnas by this material senses.
सेवा
So the transcendental seva,
इंद्रिय के द्वारा नहीं होती
it's not possible to serve Krishna in this material senses.
सर्वोपाधि विनिर्मुक्तम तत्परित्र निर्मलम ऋषिकेन ऋषिकेश सेवनम भक्तिरुच्यते अपराधिक इंद्राधिपति स्वयं भगवान कृष्ण भगवान कृष्ण के से सारी इंद्रियां क्या है
Krishna's all senses are transcendental.
भगवान के हाथ है कि नहीं
Yes, Krishna's head, hand or
कैसे
not?
हाथ है हाथ देखा आपने?
Have you seen his hand?
एक हाथ है हाथ है कान है पैर
Krishna
है
has,
नाक है सब चीज
Krishna has
सच्चिदानंद
everything.
है।
This is called Sachidanand.
जैसे
Just
हम लोग
like
के हाथ है पैर
we
है
have
नाक है कान है भगवान की
hand, legs, ear and all everything in our body. just like Krishna has the same.
भगवान के हाथ पैर
But Krishna's or Bhagwan's hand is other, that is transcendental. That Bhagwan has transcendental body. This is transcendental, supernatural. And all the what the Jeev have indriyas, what the Jeev senses are, all are material. Material. So by this material body, you cannot serve transcendental body. How we can serve transcendental body by this material senses? That's why it is said. By this material senses, you cannot serve. You chant the name. How do you chant? By your tongue. By this tongue. This how this point of jiva is. This jiva is jad. This jiva is material. By this material tongue, how you can chant the name of transcendental name of Krishna, Bhagwan. That is a transcendental name. How you can chant? That's why it is said. When Jiva, there is seven mukhi bhav, that how to serve. When he get this kind of bhava, so how to serve the Krishna, when he get this kind of tendency, then by the mercy of Achinta Shakti of Bhagwan, our material senses will be transcendental. Aprakritvat. Here we had not prakrit, aprakritvat. Because jad cannot be aprakrit. Chetan. But Chetan cannot be jad, jad cannot be Chetan. Jad cannot touch the Chetan and Chetan cannot touch the jad. This is the principle it is said. That's why it is said by the material senses, by the material things. By these material senses, you cannot feel the aprakrit, the transcendental things. So that's why it is said that we should need the heart tendency of serve to Krishna. We need that. That is called Sevanok Vritti. When you get the tendency of service, so by the grace of Achinta Shakti of Bhagwan, so all the senses becomes aprakritvat. By that aprakritvat senses, we can serve Krishna. By just adding aprakritvat. So how we can understand this? That is called, it is given an example. Just like iron cannot fire, that cannot burn anything. Just like iron cannot burn anything. But if you put that iron rod into the fire, so after some time that iron become red like fire. And when you put that iron rod somewhere, it will burn that things. Because the power of fire to burn, it's already comes into the iron. So being the fire, iron can become like fire. Just like that, when we get this tendency of service, when we desire to serve Krishna, that is called Sevanok, tendency of service. Then our senses become aprakritvat. by that aprakritvat senses we can serve. When we get the tendency of service, spontaneously or by the tongue, the Nam, Rupa, Guna, Leela will dance on our tongue. Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Spontaneously it will come. There are two kinds of vritti. First, seven mukhi vritti, and second one is bhogan mukhi vritti. Bhogan mukhi vritti is called enjoying senses, tendency of enjoying. That is bhogan mukhi vritti. Enjoying. When you get the bhogan mukhi unmati, that is enjoying of senses, that jeev goes towards Maya. And if you get the seven mukh vritti, the tendency to service, the jeev goes to Bhagwan. Bhakti in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, it is mentioned. There are two kinds of vritti. How to serve to God or serve to Maya. There are two kinds of tendency. If you desire to wish Lord, if you desire to service Lord, if you desire to service Maya, then you will go to Maya, and if you desire to serve Krishna, then you go to Krishna. That's why it is said we should always say chant the holy name. We shouldn't say Nam. Don't chant. We say Harinam Seva. We should say always do Harinam Seva, not chant Harinam. Always do Harinam Seva. So that's why it is said Nam Seva. Nam Mat. Never chant holy name. Serve holy name. Always serve holy name. Then you will get tendency of service. We never say eat prasad. We always say prasad, service prasad. Prasad sevan. So in Vaishnavis it is said that always sevan, service. Whatever you are doing, just if you are listening Harikatha, that is called service Harikatha. Sevan Harikatha. So we are saying Harikatha on Church. If we are saying the Aushadhi, you eat Aushadhi or what? You eat medicines? No, you don't eat. Sevan karo. So it is said on the medicines that always serve medicine. When you take medicine, but in Sanskrit it is said serves medicine. Aushadhi Sevan. So what is the difference between eat or service? These all are same. So if that's food is for us and the seven is for others. This is for. That's why we are saying always prasad sevan. What we should do with prasad? We should always serve prasad. We shouldn't say eat prasad. We always say prasad sevan. We never say we never use Aushadhi. Take Aushadhi. Always take serve medicine, serve Aushadhi. Sevan karo. So it is said always serve medicine. Sevan davai. So in Vaishnavis they will always say service, sevan, Bhagavad Seva. It is why said when you get this kind of tendency of service, sevan mukh vritti. When you get the tendency to serve to Krishna, when you get this, so all our senses become aprakritvat. So by that aprakritvat senses, we serve to Krishna or we serve to Bhagwan. Yeah.
सर्वोपाधि विनिर्मुक्तम तत्परितरम निर्मलम हिस्सिकेन हिस्सिकेश सेवनम वस्तुनिष्ठ।
what I said?
सर्वोपाधि विनिर्मुक्तम,
Sarvopadi
या
Vinimukta.
तो
ये वाला.
सर्वोपाधि विनिर्मुक्तम तत्परितरम
Learn
निर्मलम
this shloka. Sarvopadi Vinimuktam. Rishikeshna Rishikesha Sevanam Bhaktiruchyate. Learn this shloka.
प्राप्ति इंद्रियाधिपति
Uh,
भगवान की सेवा के कारण
is said by transcendental senses of Krishna's.
ना समस्त प्रकार के उपाधि से आपको
All
क्या
kinds of
पड़ेगा?
upadhis you have to be,
विमुक्त होना है।
you have to vimuk.
उपाधि को त्याग देना पड़ेगा।
You have to give up all the upadhis or the designations. You have to give up all the designations.
जिसको कहा जाता है
This is called
अभिमान,
ego, abhiman,
उपाधि युक्त अभिमान।
upadhi yukta abhiman. The designation abhiman. Vaishnav is not. Vaishnav is not a upadhi. It's not a designation.
ब्रह्मचर्य अवस्था में लोग इसको उपाधि दिया
The
है।
brahmachari in the brahmachari avastha, the state of brahmachari, we give so many upadhis, so many designation to brahmachari. But when you get sannyas, you won't get any upadhi, any designation.
जैसे कि एक ही उपाधि होता है
Vaishnava just have one upadhi, one designation. He is Krishna Das,
भगवत
Bhagavad Das. This is the upadhi only. This is the designation only we Vaishnava has.
ब्रह्मचारी की अवस्था में समझेंगे
On the state of brahmachari, it has been given too much upadhi to him.
क्या क्या उपाधि है
Like what?
के बाद ही करते हैं।
When any brahmachari does service nicely,
टाइटल दिया जाता
so there is a title given to him.
है क्या टाइटल दिया जाता
What title is given?
है जैसे श्री का
Just like
क्या राम को क्या बोला था राम को क्या टाइटल दिया था सेवा सेवा रत्न ये सब दिया जाता है
to Premanand was. उनको बोला था आपने क्या एक्टिव थे ना वो इन सब चीज़ों में, जैसे तुलसी परिक्रमा वगैरह आप बता रहे थे, सब चीज़ों का अरेंजमेंट करते थे वो.
नहीं वैसे टाइटल फिर जब कोई सन्यासी रिटर्न
So when anybody, so in the Vaishnava service, someone is doing service nicely, so he got some upadhis, some designation. But after sannyas, there was no upadhi. There is no designation.
वैष्णव को प्रतिष्ठा कार्यक्रम निष्ठा वैष्णव जो देते हैं
Vaishnava, whatever Vaishnava gives,
या सन्यास दे देते हैं ये सेवा रत्न सेवा केंद्र
Seva Ratna, Seva Kinkar,
ऐसे करके
these kinds of upadhi, these kind of titles, it is given to Vaishnavas when he do service nicely.
इसलिए
That is why
सर्वोपाधि विनिर्मुक्तम तत्वत्र निर्मणम ऋषिकेश सेवनम भक्तिरुच्यते। इसलिए अप्राकृत इंद्रियाधिपति भगवान की
that's
सेवा
why the transcendental senses are Krishna's. You cannot.
जिस कथा हम प्रसंग में बोलते
So
आ रहे हैं,
where we were saying in this
जिस
katha,
श्रद्धा से
from Shraddha
आसक्ति तक से
to Asakti, that is called Sadhan Bhakti. From Shraddha to Asakti, that is called Sadhan Bhakti.
और
And
इसके बाद
after that, Bhav Bhakti.
शुद्ध सत्व विषयात्मा प्रेम शीतल सम भाव रुचि में चित्त स्नान में कृदोष भाव उच्चते। ये भाव भक्ति इसके बाद
This is
प्रेमा
called
भक्ति
Bhakti. And after that, Prema Bhakti.
आसक्ति दशा में मैंने
So in the Asakti Dasha, I usually said one word to you. When Sadhak was in Asakti Dasha, Asakti state, so his heart
निर्मल हो जाए
almost clean. So he is give up all the calm, krodha and love, everything. He give up.
और धीरे धीरे चित्त
And gradually
निर्मल होने
his
पर
heart becomes clear. So after that, he gets the realization of his Swarup,
कंप्लेन
feeling.
स्वरूप के अभाव
So after Asakti, he realized his own foam.
Transcendental form.
So he gets his transcendental constitutional form. So after that, so he prays to God very humbly, just like that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in the Shishtashtak. In this world, I'm suffering in this Bhavrupi Sagar. I'm in this material world. I'm suffering. Hey Krishna, I'm your Nitya Das. Please have mercy upon this Das. Please get the mercy and engage myself in the service of yours lotus feet. So please keep me inside your feet, just like a Rajka. So the sadhak get this kind of feelings, just like Mahaprabhu did. So in this line, Bhakti Vinod Thakur is describing. Hey Radhe, Hey Vishwanandani, I just want to get the dust of your lotus feet. I'm just staying. When I will be the guest of Vrindavan. How beautiful the bhav is. I just have one desire. I just want to have. So the Vishwanandani, how will get I the Dasipad of Vishwanandani? Radhi, how I can get the Dasipad of Srimati Radharani? And after getting this Dasipad, or just getting this Dasipad, what I will do? On the bank of Yamuna, on the bank of Kalinani Yamuna Tat, we will sit there. Why? When Srimati Radhika with his Pranthanta Govind will come to take. Abhisar माने क्या होता है? अभिसार क्या? हाँ? Okay. When Srimati Radhika Rani will go to meet when Srimati Radhika Rani will go to Govind, then I will touch her lotus feet and take the dust of her lotus feet on my forehead, and I will hold her lotus feet. Surya's daughter, Yamuna Devi. I will sit on Yamuna's bank, and Radhe will go like this way, that way. When you will go in that Kunjavan by the through the Yamuna's bank, or in the Yamuna's bank, you had a kunj there. When you enter in that kunj, or when she will enter in that kunj, I will sit on that gate. So I will take the dust of your lotus feet. It is saying. Hunger, bhook, hartal. भूख हड़ताल बोलते हैं.
भूख
So I will
भूख हड़ताल
do भूख हड़ताल, hunger strike there.
दाबी नहीं मानोगे
So until you will not get our proposal,
आपको जाने नहीं
we will not let you go from there
कहाँ पर रास्ते पर
on the road,
रास्ता छोड़ो नहीं
across the road.
हम ये कर दिया
So please give me this kind of work. Other if you won't give me this, then I won't let you go. Strike. This is called hunger strike. भूख हड़ताल.
लोग करते हैं
We people usually do against the government.
करते हैं understand
Look, mostly people do. Sometimes they used to sit and after sometimes they go back and take something like juice and something.
करके आगे बढ़ गया सामने तो पानी नहीं पिया
So in front they are not eating anything or drinking anything, but after some time they go back and take something like juice and anything.
स्पीकर के आगे भी फिर बैठ जाते हैं
So after taking all the things, they come in front of the people just like the same. And what this is that we are not ancient brothers, we are not taking anything. That is called ancient brother.
करते हैं ना बड़े सरकार हमारे दाबी नहीं माने
So if government doesn't accept our proposal, so we will give up our life.
खाएंगे पिएंगे सोएंगे कर
We will give up our pran. So we will not take anything like we will strike there. So you have to get our proposal. Accept our proposal. But look here, he is saying, Hey Radhe, when you go to meet to your Pranakanta Govinda in this Kunja, so on that Kunja's door, on the bank of Yamuna, there is a Kunja. So when you will go to meet with Govinda, so I will sit there. I will go on hunger strike. I will do hunger strike there. I will wait for you until you will not give us this work. So I will be your dasi if you won't give this kind of word to me. This
कदान वृंदावन कुंज विधिषु नुराभि अतिथि कवि कितना सुंदर
Radhe,
विश्वानंद
Vishwananda Vishwamati Radhikarani.
तुम्हारा किंकृत प्राप्त करने की
So just getting your kinkritva. I will sit on the bank of Yamunas on your Ringavan Kunja when I will be your Atithi.
विश्वान कुमारी हरिव किंकरी बलिंगने दे रव वास करी करुणा करिया राधे एदा सिरपति वृंदाटवी कुंजपदे हरिव अतिथि अरे वो अतिथि किसको कहा जाता है
Atithi guest ko? Okay, tell me, who is Atithi? Atithi, who always ready to serve.
अतिथि को कहा जाता है कोई तिथि के विचार न करके
Who is Atithi? Who never think about any kind of date or something. Who appeared. He never think about any kind of date or
आपको कोई
something. Who
सूचित नहीं किया
appeared
मैं आ
anytime.
रहा हूँ
That is Atithi, the guest. Who is Atithi? The Atithi means that who can appear at your home without any information or anything.
ये आपको सूचित नहीं
That is
करके
called who is not informing you. That is called Atithi. Suddenly he appeared at your home.
उसकी कहा जाता है
That is called, he is called Atithi. Atithi, date. Atithi, date. Tithi means date. So who doesn't tell you that date? In English it is said guest, but on the Sanskrit, in the Sanskrit, who is Atithi? You will come to know.
कोई तिथि नहीं है कोई समय
Who
नहीं
doesn't
है
inform you anything about date or anything. Without informing he appeared at your home, he is called Atithi. That's why it is saying, I will not inform you.
कि आप किसी की आवश्यकता है उस दिन आप नहीं जाओगे
If I inform you, then maybe it is possible you don't come here. So that's why he is saying that in the form of Atithi, I will stay at your I will stay at your door of the Kunja.
आप अपने
So we'll ask you then, and we'll ask you that when you will get the dasipad of your Charan Raj.
चरण कमल की दासी रूप में स्वीकार करने के तात्पर्य क्या है?
So what is the meaning of getting Charan Kamal Dasipad? So how can I get the service of your Charan Kamal?
राधा जी के निकट यह प्रार्थना है, हे
I will.
राधे,
So there is a prayer
अपने
before
चरण
Radha
कमल की
ji.
सेवा मुझे दे।
Hey Radhe, please give me the service of your lotus feet.
कितने सेवा करने वाले हैं?
There are many kinds of people who can service of Radharani. There are like even Vishnu is also
नीलाम लेकर आपके
is
साथ में खड़े हुए।
Vishnu is also ready to serve or offer arti to Radharani Varaprade.
अरे ऐसे ऐसे बड़े-बड़े लोग जब
And there are many kinds of big devotees. There are big people like Vishnu.
मैं तुमसे कैसे
So who am I? Who am I?
कहाँ मुझे आपकी सेवा करूं?
So how can I get the service of your feet?
बात सही है कि
Yes, it is true or not?
जो सबसे बड़े लोग होते हैं,
So who is the main people, the great people?
जैसे कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर
Just like the Prime Minister is come, so the common people cannot get the darshan because around that people there are many entourage, there are parsha, there are parikas there.
बड़े-बड़े मिनिस्टर से लेकर के
There are many kinds of minister and many kinds of people, big people there. He is always surrounded with them people. So it is possible that you can cross and go. No, you cannot.
हाँ बहुत दूर से इतना ही होगा कि हाथ ऐसे
But after a long while, before so far, you can just wave your hand.
हैं? इस जगत में भी देखा
In this
जाता है,
world, it is seen
एक मिनिस्टर के
if a
दरबार
minister,
पास जाकर के
you cannot come to a minister directly.
और वो कभी-कभी कृपा करके अचानक इसके पास आए,
But if he has give up mercy and he comes to someone closely,
किंतु ज्यादातर लोग क्या रहते हैं?
but mostly
अपने अंतराज
he
के
is
साथ,
always surrounded with his own people.
अपने परिकर के साथ
He is
वो
always surrounded with his own parika.
है,
It is generally seen in this material world.
उनके साथ मिली।
A common people cannot meet him directly.
इसलिए तारे हैं,
That's why it is saying,
ये आप जब कुंज
when
में
Radharani will
जाओ,
enter into the Kunj on the bank of Yamuna, when you will go to meet with Govinda, your Pranapriyatam, so I will stand, suddenly I will be there, I will appear there,
आपके रास्ते
and I will cross your way and stop your way.
कैसे रोकेंगे?
How will I stop? I will lay down there and do hunger strike there.
इसलिए कह रहा है, अति
That's why it
ही
is saying, Atiti Meva.
है, ये अतिथि शब्द है।
This is called Atiti. Atiti Meva.
अशास्त्रदस्ते समानुजायस्ते, समभस्य च भानुजाय, है? तदानुवृन्दावनकुञ्जवीथि अतिथिषु अहं राधे अतिथिमेव।
Vishwanandani.
श्रीमती
Srimati Radhikarani, I have a desire in my mind or heart that when you go to the Vrindavan and you will go to meet Govinda, your Pranapriyatam, then I will be at the door of Nikunj, at the bank of Yamuna. I will be Atiti there. I will lay down. Why it is saying? Because Srimati Radhika, when Srimati Radhika will go to his Prandakan Govinda, so his heart will be joyful. Yes. She will come back to then she will get the separation feelings there. So when she is going to meet with Govind, so her heart is joyful. She is too much happy at that time. So when she will enter into the Kunj, her heart will be so much happy. So that's why I will lay down there and ask her, Because if someone is going to meet someone, then he is happy. But if someone is very happy, then if someone is very happy, then you can ask anything to him. And when someone is unhappy, you cannot ask him anything. You cannot ask him. If you ask him about anything, that he will be angry. It's, you got understand? So Avisar means when Radhaji will go to meet with his Prankan Govind. So her heart will be joyful that time, happy. So she cannot suffer anybody. Because she is the Radhaji, always thinking that I cannot give hurt, I cannot hurt anybody. Maybe I cannot meet with the Pran Pritam. In this Mahaprabhu Leela, you can see what Mahaprabhu did. When he said to Sarudama Rai Ramani that I want to go to Vrindavan. How can I go? That I would like to go alone. I don't want to go with anyone. So if he takes and someone, then another person will say I will go with you. So what Mahaprabhu said to all the devotees that I want to go to Vrindavan, but alone. So Mahaprabhu was living at that time in Jagannath Puri. Look, everybody, okay, accept this thing. Everybody accept this thing, but Gadadhar doesn't want to accept it. Because Gadadhar is himself Radharani. Gadadhar Pandit doesn't allow him that if you are going, that I will go with you. So that's why I just got the sannyas. What is the meaning of coming here? I left Navdeep and staying in Jagannath Puri. Why? Because you have given the promise to your mother that you will stay in Jagannath Puri. Sachi Mata tell to Nimai that Nimai, you want to stay in Vrindavan, you stay in Jagannath Puri. Because Jagannath Puri and Navdeep is not too far, it's very nearest. And the second thing, mostly people went to Jagannath Puri at the time of Rath Yatra. So I will get some information of yours. And Vrindavan is too much far from Vrindavan or from Bengal. It's too much far. It's like 2,000 kilometers. And that time's a wild forest. There was nothing, even any vehicle was there at that time. No aeroplane, no bus, no train. So why barefoot they used to come. At that time, how kind of Vrindavan was? Just like a forest, deep forest. There was trees, plants and wild animals like lion, snakes, scorpion, elephant was there. Even thieves and dacoits was there. They were hide themselves in the forest and they used to loot the people. So who will come in Vrindavan? And if someone will come, then he will be ruined. The dacoit will loot him. So that's why you should stay at Jagannath Puri near the Samudra, near the sea, near the ocean. There is no too much hot, there is no too much cold. And especially at the time of Rath Yatra, many people come from Bengal and Sachi Mata will get the information of yours. It is said by Mahaprabhu Nimai. नहीं गदाधर ने बोला अच्छा Sachi Mata said that Nimai, you have got sannyas. Now just keep the one promise that stay in Jagannath Puri. Why didn't Sachi Mata said that you should stay in Navdeep Dham? नहीं because वही फिर वो प्रीति मोह मोह आएगा. It is mentioned in the Sasana. So Gurudev is saying the why Shati Mata is saying to not to stay in Vrindavan. Wait. So it is mentioned in the scriptures the sannyasi cannot live in his own village. This is a niyam. This is a rule of sannyasis. Sannyasi cannot live with their own family or in his own village. This is the rule of sannyas. This is a, why? So, being with these family members, he will get asakti with them. Tell me that I got birth here, this is my birthplace. So gradually he will get the asakti with their family members. So that's why it is said in the scriptures that we shouldn't, the sannyasi shouldn't stay near his home, because if he will stay here, he will get asakti. So after sannyas, what Masaji Devi told to that you shouldn't live in, you won't live in Navdeep Dham. So where do you stay? You will stay in Jagannath Puri. There is no too much far from Bengal to Jagannath Puri. It's not too far. It's very near. So that's why you should stay in Jagannath Puri. And Mahaprabhu told. So once I would like to see the visit the Ganga Darshan. Okay, after that I will go to Vrindavan. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu had a preeti. It is mentioned in Chaitanya Bhagavat. He had a feeling towards his mother. And second he has a feelings, preeti, Navdeep Dham. And third one is Ganga. It is mentioned in Chaitanya Bhagavat. Matri Shiromani Sachinandan Gaurari. He was a devotee of his mother. He had a deep feelings, deep love towards her mother. That's why it is said he is Matri Bhaktis Shiromani. That's why Sachinandan Gaurari is also spoken Matri Bhakta. He is a devotee of Matri, mother. In his birthplace. So he loves his birthplace more than Swarga. This is formally said. And the third one is he loves most the Ganga. That's why Mahaprabhu said that I would like to visit one time in Ganga. I have got the sannyas, so I would like to visit Ganga Darshan. I would like to go down in the Ganga. I would like to take bath in the Ganga once, and then I will go to Jagannath Puri. That's why Mahaprabhu is saying, at least, let me go to Ganga Darshan, then I will go to Vrindavan. How many days will take? Only within 2-3 months I will be there. Everybody gave the Santvana to Mahaprabhu. But Gadadhar Pandit said, no, I will not. I won't let you go. I will go with you. Because Gadadhar is Radhaji himself. Again and again saying that Prabhu, you can do anything, but I cannot leave. I can let you go alone. So Mahaprabhu said that if you will go with me, then all the people will go. So I cannot go alone. So whom should I take or whom should I leave? So that's why Mahaprabhu gave and asked to request him that please understand that I don't want to go alone. What is sannyas? After sannyas, I will stay in Vrindavan. What is the rule of sannyas? That sannyasi has to live one place, huh? एक स्थान पे रहना पड़ता है. It is the rule of sannyas. Okay, if somebody take the oath that I will live in Vrindavan, so he has to be in Vrindavan, then he cannot go anywhere. This is called the rules. This is the rule of sannyasi. Sannyas. He won't go anywhere leaving Radhakunda. Only stay in Radhakunda.
के पश्चात
After disappearance of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Raghunath Das Goswami said further, Raghunath Goswami came to Vrindavan, and where he stayed at Radhakonda.
दिन रात भक्त राधा की दिन रात कर रहे
Day and night he was crying for Radharani, and he was remembering the pastime of Mahaprabhu.
रघुनाथ दास गोस्वामी नहीं कहा
Even even Raghunath Das Goswami doesn't said that I have taken Kshetra sannyas.
रहने के लिए नहीं इसके क्षेत्र संन्यास दिया ये तो माँ को वचन दिया
And Mahaprabhu is saying, just I gave the promise, I promised to my mother that I will stay in Navdeep Dham. That is why
मैं जाऊँ
I will stay in Navdeep only. That's why Mahaprabhu is saying that if I go far, then my sannyas dharma, the Kshetra sannyas dharma will be destroyed.
तो जगह में वो क्या बोले
So Gadadhar Pandit said, so I can sacrifice even everything for you. What Gadadhar Pandit is saying, I can sacrifice everything for you. What Raji says, I can give up everybody's. What Gadadhar Pandit, Radhaji, everybody teasing me or say whatever you can say to me, or my near and dearest can say eat anything to me, tease me, the Kalankani. If they say Kalankani to me, but I will not leave you. I cannot leave you alone. I can give up everybody's. I can give up my family and near dear ones because I have love for you. Radharani is saying to Krishna, I can give up everybody's. I can give up my Gurujan and laws. Everybody I can give up. If they teasing me, if they insulted me, that I can accept each and everything, but I cannot leave you. That's why it is saying Tajantu. Radhaji is saying herself, Hey Krishna, just for you I can give up everything, and I can tolerate each and everything. In the Bangla Kirtan, our Vaishnava Padavali is saying, Radhaji is saying herself, Hey Shyam Sundar, Hey Govind, I can accept this necklace or the Kalanka. The bad image I can accept like a necklace. What I can do my ear, I can close my ear. What I will do with the ears, I will put cotton on my ear. So whatever they are saying, let them say. What I will put on my ear, I will put cotton in my ear. I cannot hear. Brajvasi is saying, Brajvasi is also saying, we can give up the Brajvasi's girls is saying for Krishna that we can give up everything for you, Krishna. What is the position of Brajvasis? They have position like cows. They can give up cows. They can give up father. They can give up mother, but they cannot leave Govind. They cannot give up Govinda. They have a deep faith for Krishna. This is Radhaji saying. We cannot give up Govind. We can give up everything, but we cannot. Maybe people can say bad words to me. Maybe person can say they have the relationship with other persons. Whatever they can say, I can accept all these things, but I cannot leave Govind. I cannot give up Govind by my heart. This is called a defeat. Nishta, this is called Aikanti Nishta, the one pointness of towards Krishna. This is the backbone of Bhajan Rajya. Bhajan. The sadhan has to call out one pointed. Many people, whatever they are saying, let them say. But never give up your Ishtadev. Never give up your Ishtadev. Who is the sadhak's first Ishtadev? First Guru is the Ishtadev of a sadhak. Then Radha Krishna. So how much nishtha we will have towards the lotus feet of Gurudev. Then spontaneously we have the same nishtha towards Radha Krishna. So if we are getting nishtha towards Guru, then automatically that nishtha will transfer to Radha Krishna's feet in our Ishtadev, Radha Krishna. What is the quality of Sadguru? Whatever Sadguru gets, and he always offer all the things to our Ishtadev. And if that Sadguru accept that all things for himself, then what happens? So whatever Guru gets, he offers all the things to Radha and Krishna, his Ishtadev. He never use all these things for himself. He always use all these things to the service of Radha and Krishna. This is the quality of a Sadguru. So always give everything to the service of Radha Govinda. That's why our Gaur Govind Goswami Maharaj is saying, who said that once somebody asked them that you have did Shishya, then he said, no, I have never make any Shishya. They are not my disciples. Gaur Govind Maharaj is saying, maybe Shishya can say to me Guru, but what I think that they all are the servant of Prabhupada. What Prabhupada did, they are Guru. So what Srila Prabhupada says, that they are not my disciples, they are my Guru. They all are our Guru. They all are servicing Radha and Krishna. That is a Guru Parampara. That is Guru. If Guru thinks he is my servant, so he is not Guru. What Guru thinks, that all are servant of Radha and Krishna. What is our duty? What is the duty of a disciple? To encourage him to Ishtadev, towards Ishtadev. What is as much as I serve to my Ishtadev, just like that, with the same feeling you should serve your Gurudev, your Ishtadev. This is in the lecture of Gurudev, he was saying the same thing. Who is Sadguru? What Sadguru wants? Sadguru wants one thing only, that how I am service my Ishtadev, the same you should do with the same feeling. And, getting the same feeling how I am doing the service of Radha Krishna, you should do same with feeling with your Ishtadev. It is same. Where is the proof? Narottam Das is saying, how beautiful. Loknath Swami is saying, Loknath Swami is my Guru. Narottam Das Swami is saying, so when my Guru, Loknath Swami Maharaj, will keep my hand, carry my hand, and when Loknath Swami Maharaj will hold my hand and offer me to the Manjari Seva, and what Rupanjali will do? And Rupanjali will not accept this will. No. Rupanjali will not say that please do my service. No. What Rupanjali will do? Come with me and I will take you to Radha's Kunja. How beautiful it is. Then she will engage to the disciple in the service of Radha Kunja, Radha Ji.
भक्ति है तो आप
If you have even a little bit bhakti in your heart, then you will cry after hearing the bhajan of Narottam Das.
सदगुरु तो यही चाहते
So this is Sadhguru wants.
हैं सिर्फ होने लगा
Always engaging in the service of Radha Krishna. And what Radha Krishna will, Rup Manjari will do? And what Narottam Das is saying, Rup Goswami, engage me in the service of Radha Krishna. And what Rup Goswami was saying, Rup Manjari was saying that do this kind of seva of Radha Krishna. How to do Kunja seva beautifully done. So Rup Goswami was instruction to the Manjaris, this kind of seva you should do. This how you should do this seva. Narottam Das Thakur. Under the guidance of Rup Goswami, Rup Manjari, you bed or the bed. They decorated the bed very nicely so that Radha Krishna Govind can sleep well. At that time, Radhaji entered in that room, and that kunja. When Radhaji was entering that and seeing that Sayya, the bed of sleeping bed, Radhaji was too much happy and asking to Rup Manjari. Radhaji asking from Rup Manjari, Rup, you have decorated this bed too nicely, very beautifully. How? Then Rup Manjari is saying, Hey Radhe, there is a new Dasi has came today and she did it. So where is she? Radhaji is asking, where is she? Who did a beautiful decorated this? Who had decorated this kunj very nicely? They have decorated the bed very nicely. So where is that Dasi? Where is that Dasi? And Narottam Das is saying, very shy. And Narottam Das Thakur hide himself before the Rupa Manjari very shyly. He was shy. Then Radhi asking, where does Nabdasi? New Dasi. And Rup Manjari is saying, look Radhi, she is standing behind me. So herself Rup Manjari offering that new Dasi in the feet of Srimati Radhika Rani. Then Radhika Rani is asking again, where this new Dasi have come from? Then Rup Manjari was saying, Rup Manjari is saying, Manjulali, Loknath Swami. So this Manjulali has given me the new Dasi. So I am engaging herself in your service. So hearing this, Radhaji became too happy. And Radhaji make her, keep the hand on his head. So Narottam Das Thakur is describing this same thing. This is my how fortunate I am. Look. We always just read the kirtan, we always sing the kirtans, but we cannot accept, we cannot remember that kirtan, how beautiful that kirtan is. And Narottam Das Thakur was explaining too much nicely. And Narottam Das Thakur kirtan is that at the last he is writing the shloka. Narottam Das Thakur is saying, look, There's he's remembering another Leela when my Gurudev Loknath Swami Maharaj, when my Gurudev Loknath Swami Maharaj had offered me in the service of Roop Manjari, and what Roop Manjari did? Roop Manjari instruct me how nicely that you can serve or Radha Krishna or Radharani. So they are offering me in the feet of Radha Lalita and Vishaka. You cannot serve directly. What you have to do if you want to service, then you have to go to the Lalita and Vishaka and Ashtakis. Then you have to learn there. You have to learn how to serve. Then Roop Manjari sent to Lalita Sakhi, and then Lalita Sakhi become instruction, and Lalita Sakhi gives instruction to everybody that this you have this seva, you have this seva, you have this kind of seva. She is yeah, inspection. So Lalita Sakhi's inspection and supervision everybody's. So she look everybody's an engineer. What engineer do? He look. This is okay. This is not okay. So they cannot get the service. What they do? Hari Bol. Tagore Premanande. Hari Bol. What? They always inspection. What is it is done properly or not? So if it is not done properly, then she will be scolded. The supervision, the inspector, the inspection, whom he scold, who is not doing properly, who is not doing the work properly, so they scold them, all the labor people. So it is said to the lower people, this work will be done by like this, like that. Just like a minister got the money. Oh, they got the money from the ministers, and they put the raw. They put the raw stones there. Truck, yeah. The contractor came. It's cold. So this is a process that. So labor doesn't mean labor doesn't worry about that you are giving what kind of material. It's all up to the contractor. So the minister is scold. The minister, the upper officer, always scold them. So this kind of Lalita Devi's instruction everybody. They are supervision. This is the work of Lalita Sakhi. That Laladi's Nikunj is decorated well or not. So this is the work of Lalita Devi. That's why it is saying here, Kabe. Who will rule? Lalita Devi will rule upon us. Oh, this work is not done properly. Lalita Devi will rule upon us. Narottam Das is speaking. Narottam Das Thakur is saying these things. So under the guidance of Lalita Devi, you have to service of Radha Krishna. So there are many kinds of gan, jute. So you have to learn all these things. If I say like this to all the things to you now, then you will not understand. But after hearing all the things, you will come to know. There is one jute, one gun. They all have different words. That's why Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying Lalita, under the guidance of Lalita, that is the Sarvottam Seva, under Lalita's gun. Because Lalita Devi is very sharp, very nice. So you have to serve under the guidance of Lalita Devi. And if you are in the Lalita's gun, then very nicely you will do. Narottam Das Thakur is saying, when I will get this kind of fortune, that I can serve under the guidance of Lalita Adi and Sakhi, that they will rule upon us, they will rule upon me. Then let's suppose that you cook something for Radharani, or bhindi sabji, bhindi jal gayi, and bhindi is boiled. Then one Lalita Devi will do, she will scold, and she will rule. No. So Lalita Devi will teach, you should make this like this and like that.
आप में क्या होता है अपने आप गिर जाता है तुम पहले से दे दो वो कुछ नहीं होगा और सब्जी बनाने के लिए एक तरीका
So there is a rule for making any kind of dishes. So Lalita Devi will teach this kind of under the guidance of Lalita Devi, you will learn that. Full of love, full of love, full of lovable words, Lalita Devi will rule upon you. So that's, and she will teach you service, do service like that. Gurudev also used to tell like this. In the 85, 92, 4.
90 और 92 तक जो है
Okay. So Gurudev used to tell the kathas very deeply from 82 to 92. So he used to go in the Manjri Seva. So he used to start with Vachavega, Mansavega, Upta Vishavat, and where he gone? He gone in the Manjri service, Manjri Leela. As like our Bhakti Vinod Thakur is doing Kirtan. कौन सा? पालदासी करी
हमारे लैया कवे शिलाधिका पदे काल मिलाई रे अगन से बासमर पिले अगन से बासमर पिले अगन से बासमर पिले हमारे लैया कवे सीसा का पदे संगीता सीखीवा
So how I get the shiksha, the lesson. So after getting lessons or education from everybody is, then I will do the service of Radha and Krishna. Radha service. This is saying.
केवल मात्र पक्को विचार साधन में आप
when you are doing bhajan and sadhan, and if you are doing it properly, then you will be pure. So now you don't know, at now you cannot cook well, then how you can get the dasi bhav of Radharani? Then you have to cook and eat, learn everything. Then you have to wash everything, you have to learn. Yes. Because we are saying like this, because Gurudev saying like this, we got the encouragement when Gurudev used to tell us like this, just do service. He never told us, just get the feelings of service, tendency of service. Naam karna, do naam. From one day of 24 hours, how we can spend our 20 hours, we don't know. It was very nice things. We had one desire only, that what Gurudev said, that is true. We had only one desire. We had a faith on our Gurudev's word, that whatever he said, that's why. What is Guru Nishtha? If we have Nishtha towards our Guru, then that Nishtha will go to Radha and Krishna. Radhaji, on the feet of Radha. That's why Guru Nishtha is the backbone of bhajan. That's why Radhaniji's Nishthas and Radhaji's Nishthas with on Krishna's. So Radhaji is saying that I cannot give up Govinda. Hanumanji Nishtha has Hanumanji has Nishtha towards Ram. Shri means Lakshmi. Shri Ram. Who is Janakinath? There is no difference between Ram and Krishna. And who is Janakinath? Is Ram. Lord is one.
वही कृष्ण राम रूप
वही
में
the same
एक
Krishna
अवतार
comes in the form of Ram on the Treta Yuga,
और वही राम
and the same Ram
दापर युग में
in Dapur Yuga,
कृष्ण रूप में तो
he
लिया
was in the Krishna roop. He performed bhajan and sadhana. Oh, sorry, he was performing pastime in the
राम कृष्ण में कबू नहीं
form of
थे।
Krishna. There is no difference between
एक
Ram
के
and
नयन
Krishna.
चंचल
एक
दूसरे के नयन स्थिर।
राम कृष्ण दहु है कि अंतर नहीं निवेश, इनके चपल इनके नयन गंभीर है, इनके चपल विशेष।
हाँ अच्छा वाह आपने स्मरण किया विलास है पक्का विलास है एक के नयन
गंभीर है,
गंभीर
इनके चपल विशेष।
किसके गंभीर हो गए
So who's गंभीर?
रामचंद्र के नहीं हुए एक के चंचल
एक के
एक
गंभीर।
के नयन कैसे हो गया गंभीर वो गंभीर कौन होता
Who is गंभीर? Ram.
है
चलें। So what he is saying that Ram Krishna दहु है कि अंतर नहीं निवेश। Ramchandra's eyes are netra is gambhir, very deep, gambhir, you know, gambhir. And the Krishna's eyes are very chanchal.
हनुमान जी के कारण
What Hanuman is
हो
saying,
भैया
whatever is done, whatever is happening,
राम वही कृष्ण कृष्ण राम
whoever
वही
you
है।
are, Ram or Krishna,
राम से कोई परिणाम
I
नहीं
cannot leave Ramchandra.
है।
Hanuman ji is saying,
जानकी नादे अभेद परमात्मा पूरी परमात्मा तत्व है
so Srinath Janki Nave, both are Paramatma, both are,
हमारी निष्ठा किसमें है?
but I have that nishtha towards Ram. Tathapi,
नादे जानकी नादे अभेद परमात्मा तथापि राम कमलोचन मम सर्वश्रेष्ठ रामचंद्र है
Ramchandra is my life.
ठीक है कृष्ण तुम बड़े हैं
Maybe Krishna, you are bigger, you are smaller. I don't care, I don't mind.
हमारी निष्ठा
But
किसमें
I
है?
have the nishtha towards Ram. Hanuman ji is saying the same thing. Yes.
गुरु जी आकर के बोले
Garudaji came.
आपको कौन बुला रहे हैं हनुमान जी के बोले
Garudaji came and asked to Hanuman ji that Lord Ram is calling you. Yadvind is calling to you. Krishna. Garudaji came to Hanuman ji and asked that Yadvind is calling to you. The Krishna is calling to you. Once, when Krishna said, one Garudaji said to one Krishna said to Garun, go to Krishna and ask to Hanuman ji that I am calling him. And Garun came to Kashkinda and asked to Hanuman ji, Yadavind is calling you, Krishna is calling you. Hanuman ji said, I am not feeling well. I am not feeling well. I have some fever, so I cannot come. Okay, I can come after 2-3 days. If Prabhu is calling me that I can come, but I will take 2-3 days time. And Garunji came back and asked to and said to Prabhuji, Hanumanji is not feeling well. Hanumanji is not feeling well, so he cannot come. So what Krishna said, what information you did, what news you gave to you said Yadavind is bad news. So you have given a wrong information. That Krishna said to Garunji. Well, you have said Yadavind. And go again and said Raghavendra is calling you. Then Garunji came again and asked to Hanumanji, I have mistake. I commit a mistake. Raghavendra is calling you. He is Yadav in the place of Yadavind. Raghavendra is calling you. Ram just hearing his Ishtadev names, and Hanumanji got stopped and stood up and said, "Oh, Sriyaval Ramchandra ki jai," and he came to Ramkara. Okay, and what Krishna said, please came up in the form, please get the form of Baldev. Krishna said to Baldev Prabhu, please get the form of Lakshmana and Rukmani, please get the form of Sita ji. Rukmani got the form of Sita ji and Swam Krishna became Ramchandra. And Hanumanji came and did offer pranam to him. Then if Hanumanji visit the Ram Darbar, then he got pleased. But if he got the darshan of Krishna, so he won't be happy.
ब्रज के कथा में बड़े हुआ
It
तो
is
क्या
a story or katha in
क्या
Braj.
जानते हैं कुछ बता
क्या
बड़े हुआ तो क्या हुआ
बड़े हुए थे क्या हुआ
पेड़ के लगे खजूर
जैसे पेड़ से पेड़ खजूर
फिर
राह इनको छाया नहीं फल लागे अति दूर
पंछी को
पंछी
छाया नहीं
फल लागे
लागे
अति
दूर।
दूर
ये ब्रज के सब
This all are Braj proverbs.
बड़े हो गए तुम बड़े हो गए तो क्या है
If you are bigger than what should I do? If you are bigger then what should I do?
खजूर के पेड़ होता है तो
The
लंबा
khajur
होता
tree is too much high. The dates tree is too much high, too much long, too much
और
tall.
फल तो पक्का है फल होता है
So it has a fruits, but no one can eat that fruit. Only if get downwards itself, then no one can eat the fal. And that trees had a shadow too far. हाँ राही बोलते राही को छाया नहीं राही पथिक
पंथी को छाया अरे वो उसने तो छाया करे कहां पर उसके लिए
so that shadow is too far of that tree, so no one can get a shelter of that tree.
पुकुर के पास हो
If that tree is closer to any pond, so then shadow will be the shadow will be in the pond.
छाया में थोड़ा बैठे वो छाया कहां
If somebody wants to take the shelter of the tree, so how he can get? No, he cannot get the shelters because the shadow is too much far.
और फल भी प्राप्त नहीं होता है
And you cannot get the fruits of that tree because the fruit of the tree is too far.
कोई बड़े हुए ठीक है आप बड़े हैं
So if you are too much big, then you are okay. I offer my pranam to you. So that's why it is saying
ब्रज की कथा में इतने मिठास होता है
Braj Katha is too much sweet. There is too much sweetness in Braj Kathas.
ब्रज के लोग गाली भी देते
If Braj is saying, abusing us, so it is feel like a mithai, sweet.
तो हम इसलिए करें
So that's why we are saying Nishtha.
इसे देश को याद करें श्रीनाथी
Srinath Jan. You should learn this shlok. Srinath Janki Nathe. Srinath Janki Nathe. This is the Nishtha of Hanumanji.
और राधा जी की निष्ठा किसने दिखाया
And Radhaji Nishtha is towards Krishna. Govinda.
लोग क्या है
What is it?
तजंतु भगवान
Tajantu Vandavat.
निंदतु गुरु जना तथापि श्याम सुंदर मम सर्वश्रेष्ठ जीवनम मेरे मित्र लोग
I can,
परिवार के लोग मुझे त्याग दे
if my family's member give up me, even my guru always abusing me, but I cannot give up Shyam Sundar. I cannot give up Shyam Sundar. And Brajvasi also use it like this. We can give up cows, we can give up our fellows, but we cannot give up Govinda. This is called Nishtha. Because in our Bhajan Rajya, Nishtha, we always start from Nishtha. It is mentioned in the Chaitanya Charitamrita. Just because of Nishtha, you will get the feelings of love. Okay, here everybody must just do according to your Nishtha. Sabki suno. Do everybody. Here everybody is, but always do according to your Nishtha. That is called Bhajan Chaturya, the cleverness in Bhajan. Expertise. This is called expertise in Bhajan, performing Bhajan and Sadhan. Hear everybody, no problem in hearing. Radha is hearing, everybody is. Yes, she is hearing from one ear, and what she has to do, she do according to the Nishtha. She does according to the Nishtha. This is the view. If we don't have Nishtha, maybe we can Lakho Karora Naam. We can do Lakho Karora Naam, but it doesn't matter. It won't get us benefit. Just like a Sati Stri, Sati woman, she had a Nishtha towards his husband. Just like a lady has a Nishtha towards his husband, she has Saas, Nanad, everybody is there. She serves everybody. But she had a deep faith or Nishtha towards Pati, husband. You should have a Preeti for everybody. But where you should keep Nishtha? Only for your husband. She has a. This is the material what we are seeing like this. in the Prakritik Jagat.
राधा जी घर में राधा सेवा करती
Radha ji.
किंतु निष्ठा किसमें?
Radha ji has nishtha towards Govinda. Radha ji is serving. When she was staying at home, she is serving everybody, but she has a deep feeling or nishtha towards Krishna only. That is called a center point. That is called a center point.
गोविंद के केंद्र बिंदु करके
Centralize Krishna. Do everything but centralize Krishna.
और गोविंद की छोड़ करके
And giving up Govind, wherever you go, is all vain. This is all useless.
संपादन हम जो को सर्कल बनाते
Huh.
हैं उसके केंद्र बिंदु एक संपर्क
When we used to make circle by the compass, so what we do? We make a center bindu, center point, and we make a circle there. If your center point is not fixed, then all the circle will be not good. So you have to keep your one pointed, and if you keep this compass on one pointed, then the circle will be very nice. So just like that, have you seen in geometry, in the geometry it is mentioned, just like that we had a nishtha towards Guru Padma and Govinda. So you should have a deep feeling, deep nishtha towards Guru Padma. And if you have a nishtha towards Guru Padma, then you will attain the abode of Radha Krishna. And if you don't have nishtha towards Guru, and whatever you are doing is all useless. That's why you have deep feeling towards nishtha towards Gurudev. Gurudev is the center point. Just like we are making a circle. I have only one feeling. Hey, I have to accept the dasitva of Srimati Radhika Rani. How can I get that? This is only the feeling. Manjari. How I can get the Manjari Bhav? So have this feeling in your heart. Do not disclose every feelings. Keep some feelings in your heart. If Manjari Bhav and the Manjari of Radhika Rani, this is the inside feeling, this is the deep feeling of your heart. No, don't say anything to anybody like I'm Radha's Dasi, I'm Radha Dasi. No, don't say like this. Keep this feeling inside your heart. You have to be miser. Sometimes you have to be miser. Miser person, he never shows the money. He always wear torn cloth. He always eats very dry things like rukha sukha. There is our Srinivas. We have never seen him in a good clothes. They used to come at the temple, and he used to serve everybody is here. He was looking like a very simple man. He used to wear put on dhoti. But look, he used to serve everybody. There is a Chikitsalaya. He gave lots of donation in the hospitals. If any brahmachari used to feel bad or used to ill, so they used to treatment the hospitals. And they treatment, yes. And how they live? They live very simple. They were miser outsidely. Have you seen him? 2 or 3 years back he was there. There is a shop nearby. So this is my feeling to say that. So what kind of feelings you have, you should keep that inside your heart. Kapoor. If you keep the camphor outside, that it will flow. So where you have to keep the camphor in the pack of dibba, the sealed dibba.
उसी प्रकार इस भावना को
Just like that, I am the servant of Srimati Radhika Rani. Keep that inside your heart. Don't disclose anybody. Do not disclose it with anybody or everybody. And always do perform bhajan sadhana day and night. It is said in the Niti Shastra, there are two kinds of vastu. It's gopaniya. You should hide two kinds of vastu. So what kind of vastu is hidden? Bhojan and bhajan. Bhajan, food and bhajan. You should not disclose that I am doing Hari Nam. You should not. No, never. Do bhajan ekantik on the at the an ekantik bhav. Do not disclose your bhajan. When our Param Gurudev used to chant at the night, nobody knows that he is performing bhajan sadhana. And how bhojan like? Do not take the bhojan before anybody. There is one story, one katha. High lagna. High lagna. Evil eyes. It is English. You eat too much. Yes, everybody doesn't have the same views. So it is as mentioned in the Shastra scriptures. Is two kinds of vastus should be hidden. First is bhajan and second is bhojan. How bhojan you have on ekant at the. You should not take the food or bhojan before anybody. Somebody says like this, oh, being a sadhu, he is taking too much food. And whatever he is doing, he doesn't think about that. That's why in the scriptures it means you should hide two things, bhajan and bhojan. Nobody knows. So my feeling is, so what is mine to say? So I'm the kinkri of Srimati Radhika Rani. Always keep this inside your heart. Do not disclose it. Radhaji's manjaris, how can I serve in the mode of Radha's manjaris? Keep this inside your heart. And at the time, when the time will come, everybody will know. The badal, the so badal cannot hide the sun. Just like that, after when the time will come, the sun will come out. So just like that, you have the manjari feelings of manjari, hide inside your heart. Do not disclose everybody. When the time will come, everybody will know. So now, when you are chanting, have this kind of feelings. Hey Radhika Rani, please accept me Hey Radhika Rani, please accept me as your maid servant. That's your manjari. Radhe. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Krishna Krishna Hare Krishna Tulsi Puja.
We have everything we have. We prepare everything. If you want, we can offer now.
कहाँ है? अरे बाबा और ये चेक कर लिया। तो कहाँ ठीक करेगा?